Okay, this review video is for a compressor nebulizer. Just wanted to make a quick video while my daughter was doing some nebulizing. This has the small child mask, and then here's the size comparison to the adult mask. But as you can see, you just slide that right on. You've got your little chamber here that you actually will just twist off.
And you can add in your water or saline solution into this nebulizer cup.
Just for a little stuffy nose. And then you can disconnect the hose right here. Okay, just like that. You connect it after you get it filled up. Okay, you want to press the button, turn the button on.
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, and then you'll be able to see the mist that comes out, so you can see it comes out like that. Okay, let's look at the nebulizer. The compressor itself just have one port right here to attach the hose. The other spot right here is where the filters are. So this is where you want to change your filters out. The filter is just really just a small kind of, well, just a filter, a white cloth filter. Once those start getting dirty or different colors, like brown or whatever, you want to change that out. Okay, then you just plug it into the wall. Okay, and when you're ready, you'll just hit the switch, put that over your head, and get your hair out of the way. There we go. And put it right here, and you can just breathe in deeply, and you can see it's coming out right there in front of her nose. And the same thing will happen when you use the adult mask as well. But if you have any issues, these nebulizers are great to use to recover and get your body a little bit more healthy. So this is what it looks like. This is for this nebulizer right here. Let's look at the bottom one more time. MCN S600MC is what this model is right here.